How to get YouTube Premium for free. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. Open up a browser that you prefer on your device and search for YouTube Premium. Select the first option of Get YouTube Premium. Now, right here you will see try 1 month for $0. Tap on the bubble. You will see 3 of the packages for you, that is individual, family and student. If you select your individual package, then tap on Confirm. You have to select a credit or debit card. You have to enter your card number, your CVV, and your expiration date. If it's valid, it will be listed as a payment method. Do not worry, it will not charge you right now. If you selected the family package, it is pretty much similar. All you have to do is enter your card number, CVV, and the expiration date just like before. However, if you select student, you have to verify that is share ID. In this form layout, you have to verify your student status, that is country, university, your name, and your DOB. Then select Confirm. When you enter your card number, do not worry because the first month is absolutely free. Now, if you want your premium for free for 3 to 6 months, try to cancel it on time. When you select the cancellation option, your card will not be charged for next 3 or 6 months or beyond 1 month. And that is the hack. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.